Okay, so we're here in SIGGRAPH, and we are going to be showing some of the future capabilities in Mathematica, the support for OpenCL and for CUDA. Okay, in particular, these are just some demos of the kind of applications that you will be able to write in Mathematica. For example, I'm going to show something that is basically comes with the SDK in the NVIDIA. In the CUDA toolkit, which is the fluid dynamic simulation, but now we are basically using the same base code, but now we are using it inside Mathematica. So the whole interface for this was written in Mathematica, and we are just using some of the new features to launch the kernels. So some of the applications that we have is, for example, for volumetric data, this allows the exploration of 3D models in a much more interactive way. Okay? And this will allow our Mathematica users to basically take advantage of the GPU for all their scientific analysis that they want to make. So some of the basic interfaces that Mathematica offers is that you can build animations, and you can build interactive sessions very easily in Mathematica. In this case, we have an OpenCL program that does something very simple. It's just the linear combination of two images. But we are building an interface that allows you to play with the different parameters in this function. Okay, and all of these are basically running directly from the... Okay, so in Mathematica, you can very quickly prototype these kind of applications, and you don't have to worry that much about the whole process of how to compile on how to use CUDA or OpenCL code. Yeah, so this is another example that is basically for synthetic texture processing generation. Okay. So, and again, it gives you a way of interacting with many different algorithms in a very simple way. So one of the latest trends is that people are computing now things that used to take hours. Okay, now you can just compute them in a few seconds. Okay, so before, trying to run this sequentially will take like 2 or 3 hours, basically for an image of this resolution. Okay, now basically we are capable of running this almost in real time. Okay? And as I said again, the whole interface, everything is written directly in Mathematica.
Wow.
So this will definitely, we expect that this is really going to change the way that people see the GPUs. They are not just for video games anymore, at least for Mathematica users. Okay, they will be able to really run more serious computations or more numerical based computations directly in the GPU.
Excellent.
Yeah, so for example, for people that are interested in video processing, which is basically a large community here. Okay, so with a very simple command, this manipulate, it allows me to change different filters. In this case, I'm using very simple erosion or glossing. Okay. And I can run the video directly, okay, in real time, doing the image processing. So this really allows me to build this kind of interfaces, to build my own filters, okay, in a much more effective way, using all the features in Mathematica.
That's phenomenal.
Yeah, so this is, we are excited about this technology. Okay, so we are definitely, we think that for all Mathematica users, this is going to be something that is going to be extremely useful for their applications.
Excellent.